Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra, and as I promised in my previous video, today I will show you how to make these stunning earrings. I named them Lili because today it's my mom's birthday, and that's her name and she likes them a lot. So let's proceed with the tutorial. In order to make these earrings, you need first to make the upper part, this beaded stud part, and you will find a tutorial on how to make these on my channel. I made these ones. It's actually my previous video, so I'm sure you will have no trouble in finding it. And today we will be making the lower part of the earring, this part. So let's proceed with the materials for this project. You will need size 11 seed beads. I am using this pink color, and then you will need size 15 seed beads. Also, I'm using this metallic purple color. For the central part, you will need puka beads. I'm using these ones in pink, and you will also need Paisley duo beads. I'm using these metallic purple ones. And then for the lower part of the earring, you will need a faceted round bead. Mine is 10 millimeters, and I'm using this purple color. And also for the lower part, I'm using this bead that looks like a rice bead, but you would also use a teardrop bead. I like this one a lot because the color is a matte pink, and I like it. Also, you will need the thread. I'm using this one from Wildfire. It's 15 millimeters, and I cut already around 1 meter of thread for this project. You will also need the needle. I'm using this one, and it's size 10. These ones, I recently bought them. And for cutting the thread, you will need cutting pliers, or if you don't have them, you could use scissors. So let's proceed. The first thing you need to do is pick up one seed bead, size 11, and take it towards the end of the thread. And now we have to go through it again from the opposite direction. This will be our stopper bead, and you want to leave a little bit of thread here also at the end. So now what I will do is I will pick up one puka bead and go through it like this, and I will go through it again, but this time through the middle of the bead downwards. Don't worry about this thread, you will not really see it on the project. So now we will pick up the other puka bead and go through the middle part again like this, and we will go through the opposite side of the bead like this. This is to reinforce our beadwork. Now what we want to do is pick up one size 11 seed bead and go through the other puka bead like this, and we already have the first small part of the earring. Now what we want to do is pick up one Paisley bead like this, pick up one size 15 seed bead like this, and another Paisley bead like this, and we will go through the other side of the puka bead like this. Now I will remove the stop for the bead like this. Oh, so this end will be free. And I will take the thread through the other side of the needle through the other side of the thread. I wanted to make our stopper bead free again. If you misunderstood this, if you didn't understand this part, let me know, I can explain it again. So now I will take another paisley bead, one size 15 seed bead, and another paisley bead, like this. And I will go through the puka bead, the seed bead, and the puka bead again, because I want to reinforce my beadwork. So this is, our earring is already taking shape, and now I will go through all of the beads again, like this. This is to keep our earring flat, as flat as possible. And now I will go only through the puka bead and size 11 seed bead, like this. So now I'm here, I'm exiting the pink seed bead, and what I will do is take 4 seed beads on the needle and another size 15 seed bead, and I will go through this end of the paisley duo bead, like this. And now what I need to do is connect this part of the earring with the stud, with the beaded stud part, and I will take 1 bead size 15 and 2 beads size 11, and I will go through one of the beads on the lower part of the beaded stud earring, and now I will repeat the same. So 2 seed beads size 11 and 1 seed bead size 15, and I will go through the other paisley duo bead, like this. And now what I need to do is do the same on this side. So I will take 1 bead size 15, and then I will take 4 beads size 11, and I will go through this bead size 11, like this, and I'll do the same on the other end. 4 seed bead size 11 and 1 seed bead size 15. Go through this end of the paisley toe. So now I need to start attaching the lower part of the earring. So I will take 1 bead size 15 and 3 beads size 11, like this, and then I will take the round bead and another bead size 11, and I will take the round rice bead and 1 more bead, and now I will go back through the rice bead, the size 11 and the round bead, and another size 11 bead, like this, and we have to pull the thread. Now I need to do the same on this side, so 2 beads size 11 and 1 bead size 15, and go through this paisley tool. And now what you need to do is pull your thread like this. So the earring is almost done. I need to pick up one bead size 15 and 4 beads size 11 and go through the middle seed bead like this. So as you can see, our earring is finished, but what I like to do is I like to reinforce my beadwork. So I will go through this last round one more time. Okay, so I finished reinforcing my beads, and now I want to go through one super dough from my central one, and here I will be making my knot. So I will go underneath the size 11 beads like this, and here I will be making the knot. Also, you need to place your knot where you want it to be. I want it here where I'm exiting the bead, so like this. Yep. And now I will go through 2 seed beads. This way we can hide our knot like this, and I will cut the thread as close to the bead as possible like this. This way our knot is hidden, and I will be doing the same on this side. So So I will go up one, okay, maybe 2 beads. No, actually one. I will go only through one seed bead if I can. No, I cannot. So I will go through both. And here I will be making the knot like this. And now I want to go through 2 seed beads again. My needle is a bit small, so yep, got it. And now I will go through the next 2 seed beads, size 11, like this. This is to hide my knot, and I will cut the thread, and that's it. This is our finished product. I must say that I really like these earrings, and I will be wearing them a lot. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you will make them and you will let me know how they turned out. I will see you in my next videos, where I will show you how to make another beautiful earrings. And thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.